You're expecting a hefty paycheck, maybe a tax refund, or even a big freelance gig payment. You've set up direct deposit, thinking everything's smooth sailing. Then, bam, you hit a wall, a limit, a ceiling. You're left wondering, wait, there's a limit to how much I can get through direct deposit? If that thought has ever crossed your mind, especially with MoneyLion, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. MoneyLion, like many financial platforms, has become a go-to for many, especially for quick access to funds and managing finances on the go. But when it comes to direct deposit, things aren't always crystal clear. Understanding these limits is crucial to avoid any unexpected hiccups in your financial planning. Now, here's the kicker. MoneyLion doesn't publicly advertise a hard, fixed direct deposit limit in the same way some traditional banks might. This can be a bit tricky, and it often leads to a lot of confusion. Instead of a concrete number, MoneyLion's direct deposit capabilities are often tied to several factors, including the type of account you hold, your account history, and even the source of the deposit. So, what does that mean for you? Well, it means that instead of a simple, you can deposit X amount, the limit is more dynamic. It's designed to protect both you and MoneyLion from potential fraud and ensure secure transactions. For most users, this won't be an issue. Regular paychecks and standard refunds typically fall well within these internal, flexible limits. However, if you're dealing with exceptionally large deposits, such as significant tax refunds, large business payments, or unexpected windfalls, that's where you might encounter some restrictions. To get a precise understanding of your individual limits, the best course of action is to contact MoneyLion's customer support directly. They can provide personalized information based on your account specifics. Another aspect to consider is the type of account you're using. MoneyLion offers different account tiers, and each might have slightly different guidelines when it comes to direct deposits. For example, a Raw Money account, which is their primary checking account, generally handles standard direct deposits without issues. But if you're using other MoneyLion products or services, the rules might vary. Also, the source of the deposit plays a role. Regular paychecks from established employers are generally processed smoothly. However, deposits from less common sources, like international transfers or large, one-time payments, might trigger additional verification or scrutiny. It's also important to remember that MoneyLion, like all financial institutions, is subject to regulatory compliance. This means they must adhere to anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, regulations, which can influence deposit limits and processing times. These regulations are designed to protect the financial system and prevent illegal activities. In short, there's no single, universally advertised direct deposit limit for MoneyLion. Instead, it's a dynamic system based on various factors. If you anticipate large deposits, it's always best to reach out to MoneyLion's customer support directly for personalized assistance. They can provide the most accurate and up-to-date information tailored to your specific account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.